Welcome to the Gate Opener Installation Guide. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing your gate opener. Before we begin, let's go over the preparations and tools you will need. For this installation, you will need the tools like a power drill, tape measure, adjustable wrench, C-clamps, spirit level, Phillips head screwdriver, and a marker. Additionally, you need to manually open and close the gate to check if the gate's open and close cycle is smooth and horizontally aligned. Also, ensure that the gate post is vertically aligned on the ground. First, let's consider the rear bracket measurement. You need to ensure that the minimum requirement for measurement B is 120 millimeters or more. Open the gate to your desired opening position that you want the gate opener to achieve. Set up the rear bracket and attach the actuator to it. Unlock the actuator with manual override key and keep the actuator in the fully expand position. Attach the front bracket to the actuator and fix the front bracket on the gate using a C-clamp. Make sure to ensure horizontal level using a spirit level. Keep the gate at open position and ensure the B dimension 120 millimeters is achieved. Push the gate to close position and check both opening and closing positions are achieved. Once both the opening and closing positions are achieved, mark the drilling points for the brackets. Drill the holes and fix the brackets securely. At the closed position, install the gate stopper supplied with the kit. Ensure that the gate hits the stopper before stopping at the closed position. Lock or engage the actuator with a manual override key to secure it in place. Mark and drill the points to fix the control box on a suitable base.
Solar system installation, solar charger setting. Solar charger has multiple settings, 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volt. Our gate opener operates on a 24 volt system, so it's critical to set your solar charger to 24 volt setting. If solar charger is set other than 24 volts, battery won't get charger. For example, when you press the solar charger configuration button once, and if you see 13.8 volt and 12.6 volt with second press, it indicates solar charger is on 12 volt setting. If not configured correctly, your batteries may fail to get a charge, causing your gate to stop functioning within days of installation. To get 24 volt solar charger setting, you need to follow the steps in sequence. Step 1. Check the battery voltage with multimeter, and if you get reading less than 11 volt for a single battery, charge up the battery to reach around 12 volt. You can do this by connecting them directly to a solar panel for about 30 minutes or by using a battery charger. Or if you get must-meter reading above 11 volts or after charging battery, connect the batteries to the solar charger battery terminal and make sure the batteries are connected in series. This will automatically set the system to 24 volts. On the solar charger display, it will show a voltage of around 24 volts. Press the configuration button once. You'll see the maximum cutoff voltage is set to 27.4 volts. Press the configuration button once again to view the output voltage of 25.2 volts. Press it again to see the low cutoff voltage, which should be 21.4 volts. Continue pressing to check the operation time to 24 hours and the default setting code, typically 601. Finally, verify that the system displays around 24 volts. These values indicate that the solar charger is set to 24 volt. Step 2. Once battery are connected, connect the solar panel cable to the solar charger. Step 3. Connect solar charger load terminal to control board. Step 4. During sunlight, check the solar charger symbol is visible or not on the display. If not, swap the solar panel cable between solar charger terminals because it might be connected with incorrect polarity, and ensure solar panel symbol is visible. And that's it. Setting up and configuring your solar charger is simple and straightforward with these steps. Now we moved into step-by-step solar system installation.
Let's move on to the installation of the battery system. First, connect and fix the conduit on the top part of the battery box. Pass the battery cable through it and connect the cable to the solar charger battery terminal
And solar charger load terminal to control board port 8 and 9.
Install the lower part of the battery box on the ground next to the control box. Connect the other end of the battery wire to 2 batteries in series. Close the battery box lid and securely fix the screws. After the battery wire connection, it's time to install the solar panel and fix the mounting bracket on the base. Make sure the solar panel receives sunlight throughout the day. Now, let's connect the solar panel wire to the solar charger. Please ensure that you pay attention to the polarity of the battery cable and solar panel cable while connecting them to the solar charger and control board. Next, carefully lay the wire from the actuator to the control box, following the provided wiring diagram. Make sure to connect the wires as indicated in the diagram to ensure proper functionality. Now, let's install the PE sensors. Place them on either side of the gate with a 1 meter clearance from the ground. Lay the cable underneath the driveway, connecting it to the control box according to the wiring diagram. Lastly, remember to keep the PE sensor jumper setting to INO for optimal performance.
Wireless keypad setting. Press and release learn button on control board. It will trigger the learn function for 5 seconds. Press 2222# button on the wireless keypad to add it to the control system within 5 seconds of learn function window. Wireless keypad reset. To reset the keypad, press and hold the reset button for 8 seconds. Remote control setting. Press and release learn button on control board. It will trigger the learn function for 5 seconds. Press any button on the remote control to add it to the control system within 5 seconds of learn function window. To set auto close function. You need to set the value of P9 as the delay time for the gate to wait after opening and close automatically. Press and hold Fun button until the digital display turned on, then press increase or decrease button to browse to P9. Press Fun to set the value for P9. Use increase or decrease button to set the delay time in between 1 to 99, and then press Fun button to save the value. Press Learn button to finish exit the setting. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the installation of your gate opener. Before we conclude, please ensure that you thoroughly review the instruction manual provided with your gate opener for any additional information or safety precautions. Thank you for choosing our gate opener and watching this installation guide. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new